My name is Sree Naukuttan. I'm one of the lecturers in Queen's University. I teach engineering and concrete technology. I work at the interface between structures and materials and look at materials that will perform in a very extreme exposure. So that'll keep our structures alive for much longer. Some of the structures that we do would be to extend the life of the structure. It could be a bridge or a building, and seeing it standing and lasting for another 30 years would be fantastic. We are able to help banah to see how their product will serve in the long term in any given exposure environment. That gives them the confidence to go and have discussions with the clients to explain to them how the material will perform and outperform a traditional cement system. It's been a long-standing partnership, and we have had many researchers working here together with us and banah. We are delighted to see a fantastic product coming out of the market, and from our satisfaction point of view, we are very happy that we took a material and we were able to find the best application for that material for banah. Going forward, we know for certain that we're running out of PFA. We also know for certain that GGBS is a very expensive product and we're running out of it as well. In the future, there has to be materials that functions the role of what GGBS and PFA are performing now, and banahMETA fits in perfectly to that category.